Eric Muadit, Muadit.com. Let's take a look here at an aspect of trading that is not widely known, and it is when a stock makes a new high on the charts and it fails to move above 61.8. For example, here we're looking at a weekly chart. That tends to be a very bearish signal, the fact that the stock makes a new weekly closing high here, but you can see that there's negative divergence, and the key is that the negative divergence takes place while the stock is trading below 61.8. So that's the key. You make a new high, RSI is lower, the stock fails to move above 61.8, tends to be a major sell signal, and we can see here what happened. The stock did turn around, moving from about 70 all the way to the lows here for the week of about 48. So that's almost a 25-30% drop because of this bearish divergence of the worst kind, where the RSI fails to move above 61.8. Take a look at the next two examples. ZIOP, you can see here it made an attempt to new highs over the last week or so, and while it's doing that, we can see that the RSI continues to make lower lows, and more importantly, the RSI right now has failed to move above 61.8. So the risk here is that after giving that signal, more than likely over time, this might see substantially lower prices. Take a look at the next one, and it is QQQ, and you can see here making a new high over the last 2 weeks, while the RSI made confirmation of resistance on this RSI top lines. So there was resistance on the RSI top lines. It is also negative divergence, as we can see, negative divergence, but more importantly, while the stock was making a new high here, we see that the RSI failed to move above 61.8 on the weekly. The suggestion there is that at this rate, this is one of the worst negative divergence sell signals, suggesting that over time, let's see whether this gives us much lower prices on the QQQ and probably for the general market. Eric Muadit, Muadit.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.